The evolution of modern architecture is no longer measured merely by structural height or energy ratings. It is defined by the intelligence embedded within its walls. For decades, occupant comfort relied almost entirely on traditional HVAC systems, cooling a room when hot, heating it when cold. However, true environmental well-being requires far more than basic temperature regulation. Today, a major paradigm shift is taking place. Smart buildings, beyond HVAC, total comfort. This holistic approach integrates a vast ecosystem of intelligent technologies to orchestrate optimal living and working spaces. Total comfort is a multi-sensory experience, influenced by air quality, natural and artificial lighting, acoustics, and intuitive automation. When these elements operate in isolated silos, efficiency drops and dissatisfaction rises. A truly smart building unifies these disparate systems into a single responsive brain. Indoor air quality, IAQ, is a primary example. While traditional systems recirculate air on fixed schedules, smart IoT sensors continuously monitor carbon dioxide levels, VOCs, humidity, and particulate matter. When CO2 spikes in a crowded conference room, the building automatically increases fresh air intake, while motorized shading adjusts to mitigate solar heat gain. Lighting plays an equally critical role. Smart systems utilize circadian tuning, mimicking the natural progression of sunlight. Bright, cool light energizes occupants during morning hours, while warmer tones in the late afternoon support human biometrics. Integrating automated blinds with smart lighting maximizes daylight harvesting, reducing energy consumption while preserving visual comfort. Furthermore, predictive AI models analyze real-time occupancy, weather forecasts, and usage patterns to make proactive micro-adjustments before occupants register discomfort. Acoustic masking systems dynamically adapt to background noise, ensuring speech privacy and focus. By moving beyond basic HVAC controls to a unified automation framework, buildings lower energy costs while boosting occupant productivity, health, and well-being. Total comfort is the baseline for modern infrastructure.